Hey YouTube, how the heck you doing? I'm doing great and I hope you are too in this new 2026 year. Let's get started with a little unveiling unboxing. I've had this piece quite a while now, but with the family things going on, it's been put to the side. And as you see, I'm not the first one to do an unboxing for this guy, so let's just dig into it. It's another piece that I've been wanting to add to my ensemble. I do have a microphone already that I've got previously from DJI, but let's go ahead, unbox the Insta360 Mic Air, and we'll see what we got. So as always, I got my trusty knife to help me do a quick unboxing here. So what do we got here? I did get it, didn't I? Yeah, I got it. There we go. Sliding out, get the user manual and instructions on the front there. Oh, it's a big manual this time too. Probably multiple languages, I'm guessing, but that's probably the thickest manual I've seen in quite a while. And then underneath the manual, you got this little carry case. It's pretty nice, actually. It's all zipped up. I think that's it for that. Yeah. So it's kind of like a leathery vinyl feel to it. It's got a nice sealed zipper here. You don't even see it unzip as you pull it around. And then there inside the box or case is what you have on the Insta360 Mic Air. So you got the adapter, USB adapter, most likely for your iPhone or whatever. There you have the mic, Insta360, and then this guy, I believe, is just a magnet that you can put underneath your shirt and to be ready to go anytime. Just make sure you grab that little magnet, because it is pretty small, before you pull the mic off, because it's going to go tumbling down. Then on the other side here, you have your wind reduction, your dead mouse, dead cat. And then they give you a few cables for charging. That just sits in, minus the magnet. So that's magnetic too. You can't go too bad with it. Just lines up. It's got the three little prongs or leads in there, so it lines up nice, plugs into the USB port of your computer or whatever charger you may have handy. And then it looks like this is a little necklace thing that functions the same way as the magnet. So you would just undo the cord here, get your head around it. Well, maybe not. Helps if you take the head off, but let's see, get that lined up. You could have that under your shirt so it's not as noticeable. And yeah, it's got a good feel on it. It's not coming off too easy. I can pull it, pull it pretty good, and it's not moving around. I'll probably use the little mic or magnet here as my go-to. It's already flashing to get connected and everything. It's a nice little setup. I'm going to be trying it with my R8 Canon camera and my iPhone, obviously, that's recording now. But this is one I previously got. It was the DJI Mic Mini, so it's a little bit more robust to carry around. It's got the little package. This has the cat and everything inside there too. It's got the two receivers or transmitters and one receiver to put on your equipment. It's got the USB post. I've done a review of this previously, so I'll connect that down below. But I've been liking this a lot, using it a lot, but I wanted to mix it up a little bit, and I think this might just be the trick for that. So we'll get that going for you guys. So we got line up. Are we going through the front or the back? Looks like the back. So there you go. Little sleeve that it pops into. Pop it out of there. Got the magnet on there. You might want to just keep that magnet on there. It'd be a lot easier than trying to lose it. You got a little clip here, so you could probably do, if I can let it go that thick. It's struggling to go that thick for the hat bid. No, there it goes. And then, yeah, you don't even, probably see it there. But yeah, it looks pretty good, guys. I think I'm gonna enjoy using this, maybe as a backup mic. This one and the Mic Mini does not record on the device itself. It only records to what it's transmitting to. So we'll see how this works out. Like I said, nice little case. Keeps everything compact and ready to go. Just pull it off. Little magnet. And you're all set. Not bad at all. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. I'm going to be bringing you reviews, comparisons between this and the Mic Mini, Mic Air, Mic Mini. Everybody's doing minis and airs and pros, and it's just hard to keep track of everything that's going on. So I'll let you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Let me know if you already got one of these and been working with, or you've been thinking of getting one of them. And I'll be bringing you the comparison video fairly soon. And we'll just hit the new year running. All right? Have a good one, you guys. Catch you next time.